If you have applied to many jobs and still have no job in 2026, listen carefully. Because the real reason you are not getting hired may not be what you think. It is not only competition. It is not only luck. And it is not only the economy. The real problem is this. Most job seekers are preparing the wrong way. They are working hard, but on the wrong things. And recruiters rarely tell you this directly. But today I will, after having taken hundreds of interviews and rejected or hired many as head of department. Because if you fix even a few things in this video, your chances of getting interviews can improve much faster. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to start doing immediately. If you want practical career advice that actually helps, press like and subscribe now. Now let me ask you something honestly. Are you applying for jobs regularly, but getting no replies? No interview calls. No responses. Just silence. Here is what hiring experts quietly say. Most resumes are rejected in less than 10 seconds. Not because the person is bad, but because the resume shows no proof. Degrees are common. Certificates are common. But proof is rare. Recruiters are asking one question. Can this person actually do the work? Not what you studied. Not what course you did. But what you can do. Here is the simple solution. Create 3 small projects. Just 3. If you are in finance, make 1 Excel financial model. Analyze 1 company. Create 1 simple report. If you are in marketing, analyze 1 brand. Design 1 campaign idea. Show sample posts. If you are in engineering, document 1 project clearly. Put everything into 1 Google Drive folder. Add the link to your resume. 1 candidate got selected over MBA graduates. Just because he showed 3 Excel dashboards. Proof beats certificates. Before we continue, write in the comments. How many jobs have you applied to this year? Just the number. Now let me ask you another important question. Does your resume say? MS Excel, good knowledge? Most resumes say this. Recruiters ignore it. Because most candidates cannot actually use Excel properly. Here is the expert truth. Excel is still one of the fastest ways to become employable. Even in 2026. Companies need people who can handle data. Not theory. Real data. Learn pivot tables. Lookups. Cleaning messy data. Simple dashboards. Practice 1 hour a day for 30 days. Download free datasets. Sales data. Survey data. Stock data. Build small dashboards. Save them. Add them to your portfolio. 1 student practiced Excel daily for 1 month. He got his first job within 2 months. Now think about this question carefully. Are you losing jobs to artificial intelligence without realizing it? Companies are hiring fewer people. Because AI does part of the work. 1 employee using AI tools can do the work of 2 average employees. You do not need to become an AI engineer. You just need to become AI smart. Learn how to use AI for research, summaries, ideas, reports, data analysis. If you say in an interview, I use AI tools to improve productivity, you sound modern and efficient. 1 intern showed how he uses AI for content ideas. He got hired quickly. Now here is an uncomfortable question. Do you really understand your subject well? Many candidates rely on courses and videos, but struggle with basic interview questions. Finance candidates struggle to explain cash flow. Engineering candidates struggle with basics. Marketing candidates struggle with simple ideas. Recruiters notice immediately. Confidence drops instantly. Here is a simple method. Pick 10 basic questions in your field. Practice answering clearly. Out loud. Not silently. 1 candidate practiced this every evening for 2 weeks. Interviews became easier. Because clarity creates confidence. Now let me ask you something important. Are you only applying through job portals? Here is the hidden truth. Many jobs are filled before they are advertised. Through referrals. Through contacts. Through conversations. Here is a simple strategy. Every week contact 5 professionals. Short message. Hello sir or madam. I am learning this skill and building projects. I would value your advice. That is all. No begging. No pressure. Just learning attitude. Some will reply. Some will not. But opportunities come from people. Not just portals. One student sent 20 messages. One reply became an internship. That internship became a job. Now here is another important question. Are you visible professionally online? Many recruiters quietly check LinkedIn profiles. But most profiles look empty. Or inactive. Here is what works. Post once or twice per week. Simple posts. What you learned. What project you completed. What skill you practiced. For example, today I built my first Excel dashboard analyzing sales data. Or, this week I learned how pivot tables simplify data analysis. Short posts are enough. This shows seriousness. It shows growth. It shows initiative. One candidate posted regularly about learning data skills. A recruiter contacted him directly. He did not even apply. Now here is a question that decides many interviews. If the interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself," what do you say? Many candidates give long stories. Or personal details. Or education lists. Recruiters lose interest quickly. Here is a better structure. Present. Past. Future. Present. I am currently building skills in Excel and data analysis. Past. I completed my degree in commerce and worked on projects analyzing company financials. Future. I want to apply these skills in a role where I can contribute and continue learning. Short. Clear. Professional. Practice this answer 10 times. It changes your confidence immediately. Now think about this question. Does your resume show actions? Or only information? Most resumes say things like, responsible for projects, participated in activities, worked on assignments. These words are weak. Recruiters want action and results. Instead of writing, worked on marketing project. Write, designed social media posts that increased engagement by 30%. Instead of writing, did Excel work? Write, built Excel dashboard analyzing 1,000 rows of sales data. Actions show ability. Results show value. Value gets interviews. If this video is helping you, subscribe now. This channel focuses on practical growth, not empty motivation. Now here is a final question. Are you trying to become slightly better? Or clearly better? In 2026, average candidates struggle. Prepared candidates get hired. You do not need to be extraordinary. You just need to be practical. Learn Excel. Learn AI tools. Build 3 projects. Create a portfolio. Strengthen fundamentals. Post on LinkedIn. Practice interview answers. Show actions and results. Apply early. Contact professionals. Do this consistently for 60 days, and your chances can improve dramatically. Write in the comments. What is your biggest challenge right now? No interviews. No skills. No confidence. Or no direction. Just one word. Share this video with someone looking for a job. It might help them. And helping others builds networks. And networks build careers. Subscribe for practical career guidance. Because in 2026, smart preparation beats blind effort. And your opportunity may be closer than you think. Best wishes.